Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everyone is fine. Before going to start the lecture, I am going to say to every student, those students who didn't turn on their cameras, to kindly turn it on. So I will start my lecture. So student, as you all know that we have done chapter number 1 till 5. As today I have given you the um, test of number 6, but few students have sent their books to school as well. So in the tomorrow I am going to take your that test. I have given you one more day so you can learn it. So student, we have discussed about these parts of the plants. As you all know that in the parts of plants we have, again I'm going to repeat it before the beginning. The plant is going to into two main parts, that are the root system and the shoot system. The part which is above from the ground is known root system. A shoot system, the part of the plant which is below the ground is known as a root system, and the part of the plant which is above the ground is known as a shoot system. Then we have learned about the types of root, that are the tap roots and the fibrous root. Tap roots are those which are having only, in which only one main root is there, and then from that main root there are many small branches are further growing. Then there are fibrous root. In fibrous root there is a bunch of roots which are grown, and we have also read that we eat some of the roots of the some plants, and then we have discussed about the stems. Few trees known as the trunk, shrubs has a strong stems. Few plants are known as the climbers. A creeper. They both are having weak stems. And how we can count the year from the stem of a trunk of tree, we can cut off the tree and there is a ring, so we can count the rings, and then we can tell us these rings tell us the age of the tree. Or an importance of stem, we also have read that they transport water and the food. Till yet we have done from there, and now the next part of the plant we are going to discuss today is the leaf. As you all know that leaves of the plants grow on branches. Branches, basically the stems of a tree, are known as the stems of a plant. The small stems which are further grow are known as a branches. So on these branches leaves are grown. As you all know that the color of leaf is green, and we have seen the different plants are having different leaves. All the leaves are not in the same shape, in the same size. Some are very big, some are very small, some are very thin, and some are very big leaves. So these all leaves are having green color. So these green color is basically due to the presence of a chlorophyll. A substance is present in the leaves which name is chlorophyll, and this is the presence of this chlorophyll. The color of leaf is green. And what is the role of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll basically helps the leaf in making the food. Next is a structure of a leaf. So what is a structure of leaf? First of all, you have seen this is a picture of a leaf. This is a flat surface. Here all the flat surface of the leaf here is known as a leaf blade, or we can use the word lamina. Either we can say it lamina, or either we can say it's a leaf blade. And in this lamina we have seen in the center of a leaf, here is a center of a leaf, we have seen a main vein. You have seen this is a main vein. Where I move my cursor, this is a main vein. And to this main vein there are many small veins are further growing in a leaf. So this main vein is also known as the midrib, and in the midrib many small veins are there. So these veins have very fine lines, and they supply the water and food to the leaf through these veins. The function of these veins is to supply water and the food. And here is a structure. Inner side of a leaf, there are very tiny opening. You can see in the inner side of a leaf, you can see these are the tiny opening. This tiny hole or tiny pore is known as the stomata. And through this stomata, what happens? Air passes. Plants, as you all know, that plants do a process. We will read in this chapter which process plant is going to do. As we all eat food, we animals eat food, humans eat food, but plants do not eat food. They make their own food. So these tiny holes are present there, through which they all the nutrients they need, they get into the leaf, and then the leaf is going to prepare the food. इस होल के जरिए से जो है, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो प्लांट को अपनी फूड बनाने के लिए नेसेसरी होते हैं, वो इसके जरिए से अंदर जाते हैं लीफ के अंदर, और फिर प्लांट अपना फूड मेकिंग का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करते हैं. और इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू हैज गॉन टू द मॉर्निंग वॉक, अगर मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए कोई गया है, तो आपने देखा होगा लीव्स जो हैं सुबह सुबह उन्हें पानी देने से पहले उनके ऊपर वाटर आया होता है, ड्यू ड्रॉप्स आए होते हैं. दीज आर नोन एज अ ड्यू ड्रॉप्स. सो भी जो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर होता है प्लांट्स का जो स्टोर हुआ होता है, वो सुबह का टाइम, इसलिए इन्हीं स्टोमेटास की मदद से, दीज टाइनी पोर्स की मदद से ये एक्स्ट्रा वाटर हमें लीफ की आउटर सरफेस पे नजर आता है. देन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लीफ. Is this visible to your screen or not? Yes, now it's visible. So function of the leaf is to do the process of photosynthesis. Here, the word photosynthesis came from the two words. Which two words it came from? First one is a photo. Photo means light. And the second word is synthesis. Synthesis means putting together. So the in which the substances are putting together to make the essential nutrients for the plant. Here you can see which takes a, this is a leaf of a plant, and in when the sunlight is going to fall on that leaf, the function of the, as I told you, the chloroplast, it traps the light energy to make food. When this sunlight and from the outmost atmosphere, two things are basic necessary things for this process. First one is light. Here is the light comes from the sunlight, and from the environment, from the outside environment, we get the carbon dioxide gas. It enters through these tiny pores. In the previous slide, I have shown you the tiny hole, tiny pore. So these tiny pore, this carbon dioxide and this sunlight enters into the leaf, and then this chlorophyll that is present in the leaf, through which the color of leaf is green, then these they both trap the light, and then they do the process of photosynthesis. And for the photosynthesis, they also require the third thing which they require is that water, and the water is absorbed from the roots. And when they done the process of photosynthesis, first one we get the oxygen. As you all get more plants, because we can get the oxygen from these plants. So these, in the result of photosynthesis, we get this oxygen. And then sugar is the food for the plant. The food which is needed for the plant is that sugar which is made in the process of photosynthesis. Again I am repeating, photosynthesis derived from two words. Photo means light, synthesis means putting together. So the process in which light and the carbon dioxide from the environment, they enter with the help of stomata, the tiny opening into the leaf. They do a process of photosynthesis. In the result of photosynthesis, we get the two things that are oxygen and the sugar. Sugar is basically stored in the other parts of the plant, and it turns, and now it's a test for that plants had done the photosynthesis or not. If we add iodine, if the color of the leaf turns dark blue, it means to say that this leaf has done the process of photosynthesis. This is when this is a turned iodine test dark blue. It indicates the test. It's a little test that shows that the starch is present and this leaf has done the process of photosynthesis. And oxygen, we all breathe in the oxygen. This is the process of photosynthesis. So next part of the plant is the flower. As you all know that we have seen flowers everywhere. They are in different colors. They look very pretty, and they are we have seen them in different shapes and different size, and their fragrance is very sweet. Everyone likes to smell the flower because their fragrance is so sweet. So this is again the part of the plant. And what is the importance of flower is that how first of all a bird is open. Here is I have given you the example of pomegranate. This is a bud of a pomegranate plant. This is a first how this process step by step grown. How the flower, as you have read in the previous classes, that flower turns into the fruit. How the flowers turn into the fruit? There are the three basic steps. First is a bud. This is a bud of a pomegranate plant I have shown you. Bud grows. This bud later on, after many days, they have grown into this flower. And when then this flower turns into further fruit, you can see these petals fell off, and then when these petals fell off, this fruit will came out. And for after this, these are the very little pomegranate you have seen in the sizes, but after many days you they will grow more and more, and then you can get the fruit. Now, many days were required in this process. So first a bud grows into a flowers, and then flower turn into a fruit. And now moving forward to the classwork, that is the reading of your page number 42 and 43. Now I am going to recall the student's name who is going to continue, as I know that the few students don't have their books. So we are the student who is continue is Ramesh, as Ramesh didn't take part in the class so long. So Ramesh, kindly unmute yourself and open page number 42 of your book. From the
Teacher,
leaf, you are going to read it.
I have didn't book.
Ramesh, where is your book?
टीचर मैंने सबमिट करवा दिया.
When you submitted your book? Ramesh, I didn't see your book. Yesterday, I was in the school and I didn't see your book there. So kindly tell me, when did you submit your book?
माँ
Ramesh, when did you submit your book?
टीचर जिस दिन सबमिट करवानी थी अगले से अगले दिन. माँ बुक साइंस की.
I will recheck it. I will
Okay.
again recheck it in the school, and then I will
Okay.
inform you in the next class. So moving forward, the next student who is having the book, Mahat.
Flowers.
Mahat, no, not the flowers. From the leaf.
Oh, leaves grow on branches. Different plants have different types of leaf. Most plants have green leaf. The green color is due to a substance
Substance called
called
chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the leaf in making food. The flat and broad side of the leaf is called the leaf blind
or lamina.
lamina. The fine lines on the leaf are the veins.
Veins.
Main veins is
Veins. No, it's not veins, it's veins.
veins. The main veins is in the
Center.
center and small ones branch out from it. The veins carry water and nutrients to the leaf. Leaves have tiny pores called stomats. Air
Stomata. Stomata.
air passes
Mhm.
passes into the leaf through the stomata. Any extra extra water in the leaf
Extra.
extra water in the leaf is also given out through the stomata. Imports of
Okay,
leaf.
thank you, Mahat. Thank you, Mahat. Next student who is going to continue from here, importance of leaf is Shajiha. Shajiha, kindly yourself.
Importance of leaf. Green leaves make food for the plant. In the presence of sunlight,
Shajiha, I can't hear you properly.
importance of leaf. Green leaves make food for the plant in the presence of sunlight using water
Of sunlight.
using water, carbon
Dioxide.
dioxide and chlorophyll. This process of
Hmm.
making food by using sunlight is called
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. Food helps the plant to grow. Leaves give out
Okay, thank you,
oxygen.
Shajiha. Next who is thank you, Shajiha. And next who is continue from page number 43 is right. Right, continue from page number 43. Kindly unmute yourself, right?
Okay. Leaves give oxygen
Give
during
out.
out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. All living things need oxygen to therefore we should grow more trees and take good care of them. The leaf gives out oxygen and extra water. Most
Okay, right. Next, the flower will be read by Zayan.
okay.
Most flowers are colorful and pretty. They have different shapes and size. Many flowers have a sweet smell or fragrance. A bird grows into a flower. Flowers turn into fruits. Flowers help in reproducing.
And reproduction.
Reproduction.
Till yet we are going. Thank you, Zayan. Till yet we are going to read. And in this page number 43, you have seen there is a now you know. Take a pencil in your hand. And one thing more, students, I want to say it very clearly. I have seen, I have checked your copies, and I have seen so much pathetic handwriting you people have done in your copies, few students. So it's very difficult to me to read what these students have written in their copies. So kindly I am saying to you all, do take few time, but write the words in a proper handwriting. Your writing should be neat and clean, so at least I can read it what you have written in it. So kindly write, and whatever you are writing, whatever we have done in the class, kindly do it with the neat and clean handwriting. The first one is that plants that need support to climb are known as the climbers. Here is a climber was written, so you can write it on your books. Again, I'm saying that your writing should be neat and clean. The second one is that the green substance present on leaf is known as chlorophyll. The spelling of chlorophyll also was written there. The third one, dash makes food for the plants. These are the leaves. The last one, we should grow more dash more plants. Again, I'm repeating. In the first one, climbers. In the second one, answer is chlorophyll. In the third one, leaves. In the fourth one, plants. So students, I have given you much extra time. So I hope everyone has written in the neat and clean handwriting. So student, till yet this is our home task. And now, as I told you that in last Friday lecture, I have said you that we are having test, but few students have give their books. So for those students who have submitted their books in the school, they are only learn the question answer of chapter number 3. They are only learn the question answers, and I have a list of those students who have submitted their books. I have received Samaha's book, Imtishal, Ifam, Dania, Isha. These students' books I have received. Tomorrow again I will visit the school, and those students whose book is not who has, like Ramesh has said, he has given his book and I didn't see it, I will again recheck it in the set. So for these students whose name I will recall, they learned the question answers that was in the notes, and notes was given to you earlier. Now one by one I am going to ask those students who has submitted their books and I didn't receive it, so I will check it once again. So student, you can unmute by yourself, and if you have any problem or confusion related to chapter number 3, test, you can ask me in this lecture, as we are having 10 almost 15 minutes.
टीचर
Yes, Mahat.
आप मुझसे टेस्ट पूछ ले।
No, Mahat, I will ask the test tomorrow.
क्योंकि मुझे याद है
Because
अभी तक।
very good. You can repeat it once again on the next day because a few students don't have the book, and that's why I delay the test for one day more. So you can revise it. Okay. So one
Wednesday?
by one.
Teacher,
Yes, Wednesday. Yes, Daniel.
टीचर दो टेस्ट हैं।
teacher,
Yes, Daniel.
teacher इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर भी याद करने हैं।
Yeah. Yes.
चैप्टर 3 के
Question answer.
क्वेश्चन आंसर भी याद करने हैं।
Yes.
Teacher?
Exercise C is the question answers. A student kindly wait.
टीचर कर ले टेस्ट।
Someone is talking. Yes, tomorrow is your test. Tomorrow is Wednesday.
टीचर समझ नहीं आ रही, समझ नहीं आ रही।
दानियाल क्या समझ नहीं आई आपको?
टीचर चैप्टर 3 का है ना?
Yes, chapter number 3.
टीचर
चैप्टर नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर याद करने हैं।
Yes, definitely.
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर।
Yes.
टीचर टाइम दिखा दे यहाँ पे।
क्या दिखा दूं?
टाइम।
टीचर
Time we are having 13 minutes. Yes, Arshman.
आपने पेज नंबर 41 के नाउ यू नो करवाए हैं?
Yes. If you don't do it, I will repeat it for you. Arshaman, in the first one, the answer is nutrient because roots absorb water and dash from the soil. In the dash, you are going to write on nutrients. Wait, Daniel. In Arshaman Fasi noted down in the second one, dash roots have a main root and many small roots growing from it that are the tap root, TAP tap root. And in the last one, corn plants have dash roots, fibrous roots. In the first one, nutrients. In the second one, tap. In the third one,
टीचर आई एम स्मार्ट फातिमा।
yes, Sama. Yes, Sama.
टीचर चैप्टर नंबर कौन सा था?
Chapter number 3.
टीचर
Samaha.
टीचर
Wait a minute. Yes, Samaha, I know that. Samaha, I know that. मैंने इसलिए कहा जिन स्टूडेंट्स की बुक मेरे पास है उन्होंने क्या करना है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ नोट्स में से क्वेश्चन आंसर्स प्लान करेंगे. ओके तो आपको नोट्स ही मिले?
नहीं।
Samaha, check it. Samaha, you have done I have checked your work. Your book work was done, but you didn't do the chapter number.
टीचर
Wait, Mahat. Samaha, you didn't do the question answers of chapter number 5. Exercise D का question number 4, 5 नहीं आपने किया हुआ और exercise D उसके long question answer से give 3 reasons why plants also move. You didn't do it. So when you receive your copies, do it as I mentioned it on your copy too.
Yes.
Okay, so do it. Next, I am moving and whose student that work I have checked, that is Imtishal and Ifham. So listen your mistakes too and do complete it. Ifham work was done, both copy and book, but Ifham doesn't do the page number on page number 1 warm up. So kindly do it when you receive your books. And Imtishal, you there is lot of missing work in your book on chapter number 4 and 5. You didn't do few now you knows and true false of chapter number 5. So Imtishal, do it. Have you got it? Imtishal and Ifam, have you got it, both of you? So I also mention it on your copy. And next I have yes. Yes, Imtishal.
टीचर टीचर ये खत्म होने में कितनी देर रह गई है? कॉपीज कब
Only
कलेक्ट
8
करनी
minutes.
ओनली?
You can only 8 minutes. You can collect it tomorrow. And few students copies I am going to check it. They are their checking is in the process. Yes, Arshaman has given me the copy. As well, I received Arshaman copy. Oh, but I didn't check it. Samaha, you didn't do the not Samaha, whose student I have checked that she doesn't do the chapter number 1 question answers, food and feeding habits. So I mentioned the missing work in your copy, so kindly check it very clearly and complete all the missing work where I mention it that completed. Yes, Dania doesn't do the chapter number 1 of science. Dania is here. Yes, Dania is here. Dania, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes.
Dania, you didn't do the chapter number 1 in science.
Teacher, I did.
No, I did. I have checked your copy. There is no question answer word from chapter number 1.
टीचर वो किया तो है, वो कहीं आगे है क्यों? चैप्टर 5 के बाद है या उससे पीछे है? चैप्टर 5 के बाद है शायद, लेकिन दिया हुआ है।
But Dania, you do your work with very dirty handwriting. It's very difficult to me to read your chapter. Yes, I got it. I have seen it.
क्या?
Next students, I also have seen one student copy whose work is incomplete and I forgot the name of that student. Yes, Shajiha. The student name is Shajiha. Shajiha, you didn't do the chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3. Shajiha, your 3 chapters were missing in the copy. You have done only few question answers of chapter number 4 and 5. So kindly complete it, students. Again and again I'm saying that you all have received the notes and complete your work as soon as possible, because when the school is going to be started, it's very difficult to um, do the same work which we have done earlier. So again and again I'm requesting you to everyone, students, that kindly complete your work, complete your missing work when you receive your copies. If you have seen any incomplete or missing work in your copies, so kindly do complete it.
Teacher,
Especially
excuse me,
yes,
teacher.
yes, Dania.
4, 5.
Yes, I received your book too.
टीचर
हमें
हमें वो notes send कर देंगी?
Wait a minute, Ramesh और राय, दोनों में से पहले राय बोले.
टीचर आप हमें नोट सेंड कर देंगे?
राइट क्या सेंड कर दूंगी मैं आपको?
नोट्स
आपको राइट नोट्स नहीं मिले?
टीचर नहीं, मुझे नहीं मिले।
Which chapter notes you didn't receive?
All notes.
All chapter notes. Okay, I will again send to the sir and then you will receive the notes too. Again, I will send the message to the sir. Yes, Ramesh, what you are saying?
टीचर मेरी कॉपी चेक होगी है?
Ramesh, I
टीचर
didn't receive your copy. Again, tomorrow
Teacher?
I will visit the school and then recheck it. Yes, who is there?
टीचर हमने टीचर शोभिया को करवा दी थी चेक। टीचर ये क्लास 11:15 पे खत्म होनी है।
Arshaman, we are having only 4 minutes now.
टीचर
Yes, yes, Ayan.
my work is complete.
Zayan, till yet your copy is not checked, but I am going to check it. And if you are having any mistakes, again and again, I'm saying that I am going to mention on that page. I am going to mention all the missing work in one page in a copy in the end or in the beginning of the copy, so you can easily see what was missing in your copy and what is left and what you are going to complete it. Okay.
Okay.